This is my best chili like a champ recipe. It's only got 5 carbs per serving. It's got all kinds of secret ingredients in it. Let's make it. This is my best chili as a champ recipe, and it's got all kinds of really good secret ingredients. You can see from the down shot, it's packed full of flavor. I've got a pound of fresh ground beef from my butcher, and one of the secrets is hot Italian sausage too. And what I did for the sausage was, when it was frozen, I froze it, and then you just run underneath water and the skin comes right off. We're just gonna brown this up. Okay, I've cooked all of the pink out of the sausage and the beef. What I'm going to do now is pull it out like this and turn it on an angle and just soak up a little bit of the grease. Not all of it, but a good portion. Okay, and I put it into a bowl. What I'm gonna do now is put in a little bit of bacon grease, a tablespoon, 2 large cloves of garlic minced, and 3 tablespoons of chopped onion. I'm gonna add my spices in now. The exact measurements for these spices are in the show more button below here, but what I've got here is some chili powder and some pepper flakes, some oregano, cumin, salt, erythritol, and pepper. And we're just gonna kind of saute that with the onions too, bring the flavors out. This is another secret here. It's rotelled tomatoes with diced chilies, and it's got this really good flavor. That's what adds to the chili, so one of my secrets. And it's got 5.5 carbs per half cup. I'm gonna put 2 10-ounce tins in. 2 tablespoons of tomato paste. And the last secret is chipotle peppers. This is going to add the smoke to this chili. I normally do it on a smoker or on a grill, and I add some smoke to it, but I'm doing it in the Instant Pot today, which is a really super easy way of cooking. It took nothing to put this together, but I've got 2 chipotle peppers, nice smoky ones. That adds the heat, and it adds lots of flavor. Now I'm gonna take the ground beef and sausage mixture and put that back in, stir it around. I'm cooking in the Instant Pot today, but you could do it in a Dutch oven or a slow cooker. And I'm gonna let this go for 3 hours, and I'll turn it down to low. I'll just put the lid on like this, and I'll see you in 3 hours. Sorry about that. The heat killed my audio. I know it doesn't sound very good without the mic. I let this go for 3.5 hours, and I'm just gonna plate it up. I've got some caulirice with some cheese in it. I like to put that on the bottom. Then I put the chili on top. You can see the consistency of that. That looks really good. So I did the macros on this, and it's supposed to be 4 servings, but I actually get 6 out of it. And a little bit of lettuce. And I've got some pepper jack cheese for the top instead of shredded. And some diced serranos. And that looked delicious. And I might put a little sour cream on it. You have to try this chili recipe. It's just packed full of flavor. Chipotle, the Italian sausage, the rotelled tomatoes. It's absolutely the best chili that I can make. And there you go. There's best chili like a champ. Thanks for watching.